I came in this world by myself, self-made, never asked no one for help. My little bro tryna cook, I think he should be a chef. The day a nigga play with Glock, he getting put on the shelf. Yeah, get put in a pot, wrap him like a Christmas present. Franklin Grayson Jackson's, I'm forever gon' get it. I just did this show, had bitches showing me they melon. Pissy yellow diamonds on my wrist, no R. Kelly. My ex is still jealous, cause they cannot be with me. You seen what happened to dude, don't think you should play with me.